Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? I hope you all are keeping safe and sound, and so are your near and dear ones. Unless and until if there is nothing something urgent or important, please do not walk out of your house because you know it's a bad time.
Yeah.
Please stay at home. I know a lot of my friends who are in desperate need of some vaccines and in desperate need of hospital beds. Please, it's my humble request to all of you. Please stay at home. Please be safe. That's the most important thing at the moment.
Watch our video. Stay at
Watch
home.
our videos or watch Netflix or watch Amazon Prime, YouTube, whatever you want to do. But please be at home. Get your groceries home delivered, but do not step out of the house.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
yes, I think that's the most important thing at the moment. And so today's video is about my vaccine, my antibody, who's sitting with me.
I thought she got a vaccine, huh? कौन लगा के आई थी vaccine?
So today we are going to talk about my vaccine, as I said. So my vaccine has been with me for 8 years. We have lived our life pretty normal so far. I mean, we have had all our ups and downs. We have shared a lot of fights together.
Downs and downs.
Downs and downs. No, we have had our enough ups and downs as well. We have shared good experiences also, and today we are going to talk about those only. I would please want you to talk more.
Sure.
I will try and talk less, but I will let the horse talk today because I'm sure you have heard a lot of stories from me, but not from him. So here he is for you. And yes, indeed. So
What
thank
story?
you so much for joining in first of all.
Thank you for having me as your chief guest today.
Chief guest. So I know you've been in front of cameras a number of times. I mean, you do publish your videos twice a week. But how are you feeling today coming on this YouTube channel, which is not technical?
Yeah, I'm feeling normal. I mean, I'm just trying to be normal. And although if I don't have anything to say, I'll just be quiet. So you'd have to direct the show and tell me what to speak and stuff. So you can say and then I can repeat after you.
As usual, huh?
Yeah, fine. Okay. What do you want me to talk? Okay.
So I just want you to talk about the experiences, about the first time you met until this video.
Met you?
Yeah, obviously, who are you talking about then?
Okay. So the first time I met you was in Bombay. You were
It was not Bombay, it was Delhi.
you came to Bombay.
No.
Yeah, Delhi.
You came to Delhi first.
Delhi. Now it's such a long time that I don't even know when was the first time I met her. I mean, yeah. So, anyways, so it was in Delhi. We met at Connaught Place Metro Station. Connaught
Rajiv
Place,
Chowk Metro
Rajiv.
Station.
Yeah, Rajiv Chowk Metro Station.
Back then, metros were too hyped up.
Yeah.
Abhi though I'm sure nobody is traveling, but yeah, us time
8
pe
years ago.
metros were the big hit.
So 8 years ago, I met you at the metro station. You were dressed up in pink with a sling bag. Huh? That's all that I can remember. You were also eating our chewing gum. That was your favorite.
That was my pastime.
Yeah, chewing gum.
Eating chewing gums, yeah.
I love eating chewing gums. Yeah, she used to say that.
And it took me a hell lot of a time to get rid of chewing gums or bubble gums, even though I used to eat sugar free. But he used to tell me, even if the packaging says it's sugar free, it doesn't mean that you have to eat chewing gums.
Yeah.
And I used to eat it because I used to like chewing it because it used to keep the jawline pretty okay. But yeah, I think it took me about 3-4 years to get rid of chewing gums, man. It took me a lot of time.
And then you came to Bombay to meet me.
Yeah.
With
I
that-
think yeah, we've traveled Delhi Bombay because he used to stay in Bombay at that time while we were seeing each other. He used to stay in Bombay and he was an investment banker back then. And I think rather talking about Bombay, talk about the interview that you had with my dad.
So yeah, so I went to her house to ask for the girl's hand. Girl's hand, and then so her father was sitting on the couch and her mother was standing across the room, and Raman, who he's a brother, he was actually sitting across the couch as well, and they were all talking to me. Acha beta, kya karte ho? This and that, and what are your future plans? And you know, I said I want to start a business. And when do you want to start a business? I said I want to start a business in 2 years from now. He says okay, fine. And how much do you earn? And all the general questions like a father would ask and stuff like that. And that's it. I was pretty nervous actually, but I also enjoyed the dish that your mom made actually.
Yeah.
That was a very good dish.
That's a very good dish. Yeah, she makes something with bread. I mean, it's like a papdi only, but bread with some aloo bhujia, some potatoes, and
Pomegranate on top
some
of that.
pomegranate and some potatoes. So it's like a papdi chaat, but with bread.
Yeah. So I think I passed in the interview. Did I? I think right after the interview she said ये ऐसा ही है, इससे करनी है, मेरे को इससे ही करनी है, something like that, कि आपको पसंद है नहीं पसंद है मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but this is the guy, right? Yeah, so
But I think it went pretty okay.
I tried to act as sober as I could possibly in that
Yeah,
1 hour.
actually, he's actually saying that right because he's very witty in real life. While he comes onto camera or while he's onto his consulting on training, he's like very poised and very quiet personality. But if you see off the camera, he is the most wittiest person that I've ever met in my life. So
Yeah, we've had quite a lot of struggles, especially before we got married.
Yeah.
So our marriage was about to be called off because then once her parents saw that I was working in a job, and then I went back, and then immediately after Aroka happened, I left the job. And that was like a shock to them कि भाई क्या अभी तो बोल क्या तुम जॉब करते हो, अच्छी खासी जॉब है, क्यों छोड़ दी? फिर then I started the business, and then she was like, are you sure you want to start a business?
Yeah, I still remember it was 30th of November, 30th of November
2013.
2013, yeah, 2013. He called me up and he said that, Son, listen, I have made up my mind to leave the job. And I was like, are you
No.
sure?
I said I am quitting today.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Actually, he told me that I'm quitting today and today is my last day. And I'm like, Chandeep, are you sure? I mean,
I drafted the resignation letter, saved it in the drafts, and I came to talk to her. I mean, everything was set in my mind. I had planned it through. And those afternoon park walks that I used to take in the park were just to kind of have clarity in the mind as to what am I going to do. And then this is something that I planned. And that's it. I just called her up and I said, Son, मैं यार आज job छोड़ रहा हूँ. And are you sure? You sure? कर लोगे तुम?
I think I said, are you sure about
100 times, if not less, 100 times, and then a couple of text messages and WhatsApps later
Yeah,
as well.
because the Roka happened and everybody, all of that jazz happened. That happens, but I was like, अभी तो यार बोला था कि 2 साल के बाद business शुरू करूँगा और मुझे पता भी था that he will start his own business eventually because he was not keen and interested to continue with his job here or wherever.
What your parents did not know was that I was not getting a salary.
Yeah.
I was like,
so he was not getting a salary for 3 months and we used to discuss that and I was like, ठीक है कुछ और नई जॉब ढूंढ लेते हैं कुछ कर लेते हैं एंड देन ही वाज लाइक नहीं यार अब जॉब नहीं करनी अब तो मैं खुद का ही बिजनेस करूंगा मैंने कहा यार मतलब खुद का बिजनेस तो ठीक है ऑल ऑफ दैट इज फाइन बट अब मैं घर जाके क्या बोलूंगी दैट
लड़के ने जॉब छोड़ दी.
So and then, and then the whole box of worms opened where everybody started saying that ये तो लड़का कुछ करता नहीं है and all of that stuff. So it all started and it was actually on the verge of calling off the marriage. But then
बेरोजगार लड़के से कैसे शादी करते तुम्हारी?
But then I think but I think
we sailed through.
Yeah, we sailed through. He
I took care of
his side of the family. I took care of my side of the family, and then we said that okay. And then I tried and explained it to my parents that you've made us quite financially independent. You've always wanted us to be independent. What if even if he's not earning for a while, that's okay. I mean, I can run the house. And while I was saying this, we had plan B, huh? Can you tell what was your plan B?
So the plan B was that I had collected some money. That money is going to sail me through 1 year of expenses. And then I thought that if in case I was not able to make any single money out of the idea that I had, I am actually going to start teaching tuitions.
Master Ji.
Master Ji. So, and that is going to get me about 15,000-20,000 rupees per month, and that is going to run my house 8 years ago. So, absolute bare minimal level of frugality. I had it in my mind. Yeah, but thankfully it just worked out.
Yeah. And I think it was quite a wise decision. I mean, we do laugh it out at the moment, but at that time it was very tough decision. From I think all of us, for me, for Chindeep, for even our family members for that matter. But I think we sailed it well, and now we laugh out at those situations. And
Are you sure? Are you sure? तुम कर लोगे? Are you sure? चनी चलो फिर?
ये तो पता था कि इसने करना है, बट चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा वो तो तभी पता कर सकते हो ना जब आप एक्चुअली उसको करोगे. So and we tried convincing all our parents and things happened. And in fact, my mom till date tells me...
I never convinced my parents. I mean, they were totally cool with whatever I wanted to do. They just said that, in case you fail, don't come crying to us. That's it.
And on the other hand, my mom was like, यार मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा. I know तुम लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो लाइफ में कर ही लोगे. वो ठीक है, ठीक लड़का है, समझदार है, उसको पता है क्या करना है and all of that stuff. So typical parents, लड़की के माँ बाप types. So they actually were like that. And my in-laws were cool. They're still cool till date. I mean, I will not brag about it, but yeah, I think I've got the best in-laws that I could ever imagine. So yeah.
आखिर पापा मम्मी किसके हैं?
Oh yeah, आखिर पापा मम्मी किसके हैं? Just imagine. ये नहीं कि मैं उनका बच्चा हूँ, but पापा मम्मी किसके हैं? So yeah, I think it's cool. Yeah, back then it wasn't cool. We had a lot of tough time. Especially we two had a lot of tough time where we had to convince them. So yeah, that happened, and then
we got married.
Yeah, and before we I think 10 days before the wedding, Chindeep asked me, calling me at night saying that, son, I think I'm not too sure that, are you sure about the wedding? And I'm like, yaar, 10 दिन में शादी है, and, things are all settled up. Card, with, the typical line that we say, card छप गए, invitations चले गए, and now, the boy and the girl is like, तुमको एक दूसरे के साथ शादी करनी भी है कि नहीं करनी है, and all of that stuff. But then I was like, we'll figure it out, whatever happens.
I mean, I was very unsure that the steps that I am taking are going to work or not. मैं एक
Because he left Mumbai.
मासूम लड़की की जिंदगी खराब कर
मासूम तो I was never, but yeah, he used to stay in Bombay at that time, and he had a lot of contacts there rather than moving to Gurgaon. So he moved from Bombay to Mumbai rather to Delhi. And that was the most unsure thing, that how is he going to sustain. But I think until last year, before COVID, he always used to travel. A lot of our business used to come from Bombay only.
100 out of 300 days I was traveling.
Yeah, I think more. It was more. He used to travel about 150, 160 days to Bombay or to Pune or to Bangalore. But yeah, his work keeps calling him to Bombay, to Mumbai, to Pune, to Bangalore also at times. Karambhumi, yeah. And yeah, then the wedding happened. I will try and insert few pictures here. I will try and insert the Roka picture also, wedding picture also. And yeah, the wedding happened. It went on pretty okay. It went on pretty fine. And we went to Bali for honeymoon. I think 8 years ago, the craze for Bali was too much. It was actually a beautiful.
It was very good. It was the first international trip I had.
Yeah, he was very excited for that trip. Yeah.
She sponsored it. I did not have any work, so she sponsored it. She took me to the honeymoon. And
Bali was so mesmerizing. I think when I was just telling a story, when we got married, I was 57 kgs and he was 72, I think.
Yeah.
The interesting story is that since
लेकिन lunch नहीं करेंगे.
हाँ,
lunch नहीं करेंगे.
Yeah, interesting story is that only कि हम lunch नहीं करेंगे. Because of course, wherever you go,
ब्रेकफास्ट
the
इतने अच्छे
breakfast.
होटल में रुके हैं, इतना सारा खाने को देते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट में, तो लंच थोड़ा ना करेंगे, लंच नहीं करेंगे, सारा हम ब्रेकफास्ट में ही खा लेंगे,
So
फिर
हम-
रात को डिनर करेंगे.
We used to think every morning, you know, we stayed there for 7-8 days, and every morning we used to say that okay, we are only going to do breakfast, and we'll just have dinner because beach ka time, so we'll just be, you know, roaming here and there. We had a car and everything. We had a guide who could take us to all the places, and we were like busy रहेंगे तो भूख नहीं लगेगी. But we used to eat breakfast, we used to eat ice creams, we used to eat lunch, and we used to eat dinner also. And
Right.
with dinner also we used to have a lot of ice cream. It was damn funny. I mean,
I
and,
turned 79 after 7 days.
and I turned 62.
No, 82. 62. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
82 मतलब कुछ भी 82 तो मैं अभी भी नहीं हूँ यार.
Uh, okay.
So we nearly put on about 6-7 kgs of weight in 7 days. I think each kg
1 kg
was
per
1
day.
kg. So it was maddening, and it took us
A few months. I
a
think.
few months to shed a lot of that weight. I think Chandeep की तो तोंद भी निकल आई थी.
I had a stomach, visible stomach. I couldn't really take my stomach in also for pictures. इतना बाहर था.
But I'll try and insert that picture with full grown tummy versus the flat tummy right now. So yeah, I think that was quite interesting, and we had our ups and downs, of course. फिर चंदीप का बिजनेस चल गया. तो हमने सोचा चलो let's plan a good trip, and I think we planned Spain. बिकॉज तब हमने जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा देखी थी, तो हमने सोचा चलो अब स्पेन चलते हैं. This Spain
Awesome.
this Spain trip was quite awesome because it just was on papers. We couldn't make it
हमारा
in
बच्चा हो
real
गया.
life. We couldn't make it into real life. Yeah, we planned it for 3 weeks, a road trip. Because हमें वो छू के नहीं आना था कि यार टुपक हमने टच कर लिया स्पेन, और टुपक we have touched that city. We wanted to take the whole view and
we
enjoy the
want-
life of
go for a
Spain.
drive and
Yeah.
all that stuff. But then we got to know that she is expecting, so we became parents. This was November
Yeah.
2016.
Yeah, it was quite interesting, quite good. Sleepless nights. Only I had those sleepless nights because mothers are only responsible for kids.
My first night was sleepless, but that's it. After
Yeah.
that, I slept.
Yeah.
I slept so much that I let Red fall on the ground also. So yeah, he actually got hurt here on his lip because he fell down from the bed onto the ground. So yeah, that was another incident.
But yeah, I think that happened twice back to back.
Yeah,
And
2 nights, consecutive nights.
consecutive-
I didn't let it go through a hat trick, but it happened 2
Because
nights.
I didn't let it happen.
I told you to sleep on the corner of the bed.
Yeah, right.
This guy used to slip out of my arm and I couldn't really make it
Because
out.
you used to sleep.
Obviously, in the night you'll sleep only.
Yeah, and what will mothers do? They will get up in the morning also, make food also, and they'll take care of the baby also. And in night also they'll wake up.
There is a definition for that. That's called maa ki mamta.
Maa ki mamta. That maa ki mamta, by the way, has not gone yet. I know, and I'm sure it is never going to go away because
Mostly the life has been very regular. I mean, like get up in the morning, go to work, come back from work, hit the gym in the evening if you want to, and then sleep in the night. That has
I
been
think that's the routine everybody
for
follows.
everybody. Yeah. So the time that you actually get break from work is that when you actually go somewhere. Yeah. So yeah, we went to London in 2019. That was a good trip.
To make up for Spain.
Yeah, 10 odd days. Rehat also came with us. We did everything that we could possibly do. Driving on the streets of Scotland. Scotland, right? Scotland. Yeah, it was a good trip. And then Dubai finally happened. So, yeah, we were at COVID actually I got bored out of COVID. And then I thought, let's just do something interesting. So I
Yeah.
uprooted my life entirely from India. And then just to do something interesting, I moved it here. And then we struggled again. I mean, this was like a manually infused down, like a low in my life. Like I'm feeling fine. Life is like normal. Like it's like a straight line. So what do? You infuse a low. You kind of invite struggles. You kind of and several struggles. Like you have to do several things at a single point in time. You have to start the business, you have to take a house on the rent, you have to get your identification here, you have to get your visa, you have to open up a company, and you have to do everything all at once.
Yeah. Living all our automated life
Yeah.
in Gurgaon.
Yeah.
We uprooted everything from there, and we're trying to dig holes and get our roots stronger. I know it's going to take time, but let's live that one cycle at least. I don't know how.
We overestimated how soon could we settle up. Like that was the mistake, I believe, that we did. So we did overestimate that. I mean, it's still taking a very long period of time for us to kind of settle.
I think it's taking more time because of COVID. It wouldn't have been that bad if the markets or the industry was quite open. But
That's fine.
But yeah, I think that's okay.
Estimation problem.
As usual, everybody has this estimation problem. So in my previous company, when I used to be where I used to lead HR, there also estimation was the biggest problem. So I'm sure some of them must be watching it, so they can relate to what I'm saying right now. So yeah, estimation is always a problem. We plan something else, and life happens in a different way. But yes, that's how life is. I was never in to move to Dubai. I am not a person who likes summers. I'm a person who likes more of winters. And I think so far, honestly, I'm not feeling that bad.
It's
because,
fine.
Yeah, because the summers here are fine. Even if you have to step out, you have
In the evening, it's fine.
or,
In the evening, it's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just fine. I mean, it's a pleasant weather in the evening, 7 o'clock or so. I mean, even we're in the middle of April, end of April actually. 2 days ago, the weather was just fine. You ran actually.
Yeah, so it's okay. I mean, but yeah, you need to think through, plan well. I think we had some cushion, so we planned it. Our estimations did go wrong, but
Massively wrong. Massively wrong.
yeah, I think the only savior for anyone or everyone is that you need to have that cushion with you, a runway with you, so that you can survive for a while.
You need to have your wife and a child to chew their heads, fight with them in case things are not working out. At least you can get your anger off to somebody when you're home, right? So that's the big cushion that you should have.
That's not what he's actually.
No, seriously.
Okay, let me go back then.
No,
So yeah, this is what it is, and I think everybody has its own ups and downs. We have let go of, we have let go of our automated, very good life, and we have started doing all things by ourselves. I think we started doing all things by ourselves when COVID started, and but now it's getting too much on.
चल बस कर अब
So
भगवान भला करेगा तेरा.
मेरा नहीं, हम सबका ही करते हैं, वो सबकी, so वो ज़्यादा important है. But yes, I just want to get off with this.
तूने कैंडल दिखाई अपने पीछे, कैंडल लगाई तूने?
दिखेगी नहीं
नहीं
अभी.
दिख रही. वो हाथ में पकड़ के दिखा दे.
हाथ में पकड़.
She bought candles for you guys to put it on YouTube. You can see the vase जहाँ पे वो white और brown feathers पड़े हैं, sort of. I don't know what you call them.
It's not called feathers, it's called pampas.
Pampa पड़े हैं. And then you also have candles, right? Do you want to show candles to them?
I don't want to show them. That's all right. So yeah, that is it. I think that is it. What this video is about. Thankfully, he did some talking. By the way, this is our second video. We shot another one a week ago. The first one a week ago, and technology. So
Incompetence.
Whatever, technology incompetence, yes. Technology, I lost my raw file, the non-edited version, and I lost my edited version also. So
we're doing it again.
We are doing it again.
Hope you find it real.
Yeah.
Although none of the stuff that we spoke about in the first video, we spoke about none of it actually. None of it.
I think that was quite a long video. We're planning to end this one soon.
I think we also got bored of our own talking, so we are just looking at the timer on the screen right here.
So yeah, this is the second video. But yes, I think this one is more fun as compared to the previous one because that was really vague.
But yeah, I think that is it. I think guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't go out unless and until it's very important.
Rapid fire?
You want to play a rapid fire now? Okay, let's play a rapid fire. He's ready, all is.
I've got you some questions. Are you ready?
Okay, fine.
Ready?
Yeah.
You've got 3 seconds to answer. You ready?
Okay.
Okay. First Prime Minister of India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay. First Prime Minister of the US.
I don't know.
वहाँ पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं होता, प्रेसिडेंट होता है. Okay, laughing wide open or posing on the camera?
Laughing wide open.
But posing on the camera. That's how she poses all the time. You take a look at her Facebook pictures. She would just.
Well, I don't have any Facebook picture.
इसका जो profile picture है ना Facebook पे, that's posing. I have told her 1,000 times since the time that we got married. क्या है ये? What is this?
But you know वो इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना ऐसे
But-
लड़कियों को मुंह खोल के हंसना नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, now will you skydive with me?
No.
Why?
You didn't ask. You didn't say why or no. You just asked me.
Why is
yes
the
or
follow-up
no.
question?
No follow-up question.
How many likes do you want on this video?
50.
50. Modest,
Yeah.
huh? Give her 50 likes. Sweet childhood memory. Sweetest childhood memory. 3 seconds. Fatafat say.
I have a lot of them.
One.
I think when mom and dad takes me to walk every evening.
Okay, very nice. One thing in your life that you could undo.
I wish I could have done my education from a very good college.
Okay. Will you run a marathon again?
Yes, half marathon.
When? Commit the time and the date today on the camera.
Date I can't commit, but
Month and the year?
year I can commit for sure. I will
2021.
2021 December or 2022 January.
Okay, fine. Oh, watch out for the video if she continues to make YouTube videos, okay? Where do you want to go for travel next?
Spain.
One lesson for Rehat, like a lifetime lesson for Rehat.
Be contented as what his name says, Rehat. Your turn.
रेबड़ी बेचो बेटा, रेबड़ी, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से रहो लाइफ में.
रेवड़ी क्यों बेचो?
कंटेंटेड?
हाँ मतलब जो है उसमें खुश रहो टाइप.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
तो उसमें वो रेवड़ी थोड़ी बेचेगा.
तो ऐसी होता है कंटेंटमेंट.
Contentment is that whatever you have, stay happy with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you have रेबड़ी,
he can be a billionaire also and be happy with it. What yeah. Okay, yours. Be ready. Okay.
Okay, fine.
3 seconds only. One thing that you would change in life, what would that be?
Change in life. I could be.
Quick.
I could travel less if I could travel less. I mean, after the lockdown opens,
The work.
yeah. I mean, if I could just travel less, if I could just work more.
Work-related travel.
Yeah. If I could just stay more at home and travel less,
Okay.
that would free up a lot of my time.
One thing that you wish I had in me.
More guts.
That's true. I agree. What is the biggest risk you have ever taken?
Biggest risk.
Risk or bet?
Well, starting the business and moving to Dubai are 2 biggest bets that I have taken. Dubai is still unfolding, so I don't know about that. Business worked out okay, so yeah.
Choose deserted island with loads of money or aging with no money.
Deserted island with loads of money or
Yeah.
aging with.
And or aging with no money. मतलब बूढ़े हो रहे हो पर पैसे नहीं है.
Fine. Second is fine.
You're okay with that?
Yeah.
What is the one quality that you want Rehat to take it from you and from me?
So the one quality that I want him to take it from me is just more guts of experimenting things in life. One. And one quality that I would want him to take it from you is just being more organized and general body hygiene, taking a bath every day, so sort of those things.
Okay, the last one, okay? Traveling the world with less money or be at home always with no money?
First one for sure, any day. Any day, traveling the world with less money. I mean, I am absolutely okay to travel the world with no money, not less, and then figure out how to make money on the go. I can actually do that.
He can actually do that. Yeah, I agree. He can actually do that. He can sell anything.
I can't sell. I mean, I can figure out how
He
to
can
make.
sail through a lot of things.
Yeah, I
is
can.
what
I
will
can.
say.
Yeah, I can actually figure out how to make money on the go, and stay absolutely frugal and
Yeah.
just enjoy the
Yeah,
process.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah. That's it.
Easy questions.
Yeah, easy questions. Yeah, the first one were very difficult. Now we had to remake these questions. Anyways, I think you really it's already a lot of time by now. Just keep safe.
Yes,
Please
of
be
course.
at home. If you're supposed to get vaccinated, please get yourself vaccinated.
Give
It's
us 50
important.
likes. Give us 50 likes. Don't forget that. It's equally important as staying at home. So yeah.
Yes,
50
so
likes.
please take care and please be safe. Take care of your near and dear ones. Don't roam around. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye guys.